Greetings everyone. This is Mrs.J.MANJU, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, Vedic Mandira, Dr. Sakundala Engineering College. In this video, I'm going to cover IT project management. What are the things we are going to cover in this particular video are project, project management, need for project management, goals, project management life cycle. What is a project? It is a temporary effort undertaken to create a unique product, service, or a result. Doing project is not a new thing. We are doing projects from centuries ago, like building a pyramid, building Tanjai Periyar coils, etc. So, what are the project or the characteristics the project should possess, or an established objective? What actually the project should do? A defined lifespan with a beginning and an end. Usually, the involvement of several departments and professionals. While doing an interdisciplinary project, we should also include an opinion or gather information from professionals from different departments. A project must be a unique work, not a routine work. We should finish a project within a specific time, cost, performance requirements. Best example is building a pyramid, constructing a satellite. So there are also different types of projects: construction project, research project, re-engineering project, business implementation projects. So next we are going to see about the project management. It is a discipline that provides various principles, techniques, tools which helps in finishing things on time and within budget. It is an application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities in order to meet the project specification. The objective of a project is to produce a complete project which complies with client objective, which is also considered called as client requirements. Next, we are going to see about need for project management. Why we are going for a project management? This point is easy planning and scheduling. Scheduling includes completion time, starting time, and a milestone. Second, efficient task and resource management. Resources also include people, hardware, and softwares. Synchronized workflow of team. The people who are working in a particular project, whether they are on-site or off-site, they must be synchronized to work together to get a good flow of a project. It also includes monitoring as well as controlling. Next one is share documents, calendars, and contacts. Sharing the documents will help the project team to keep up with their work. Calendars is for meetings. Contacts include stakeholders information. These documents are kept for auditing purposes. Next is accurate project tracking. This is to cope up with scheduling, monitoring, and control. Next, we are going to see about the goal. Every project goal is to hit a three-dimensional target. That is to complete the work for a customer within budget, schedule, and performance requirements. It indicates specific or allowable cost of project. How much cost we are going to spend on the particular project. Schedule and time period in which work should be done. Performance requirements represent requirement features of the project. It should be an end item deliverables or it can be a final result. The purpose of the project management is to hit the target. This target includes budget, schedule, and performance. Unfortunately, technological complexity, changing markets, and uncontrollable environment has any effect on project management to make it miss the target. Next, we are going to see about the project management life cycle. It focuses on management aspects and how the tasks are organized, resources are allocated, risks are managed, identified, and evaluated. And progress is also tracked throughout the project phase. It also indicates if the project is within budget, within schedule, and it also satisfies the customer requirements. Some project managers find it useful to use project lifecycle as a cornerstone for managing projects. There are 4 stages. First one is defining stage, planning stage, executing stage, And the last one is closing stage. Defining stage is the initial stage of a project management life cycle. In defining stage, specification of the project are defined. What what the project is going to do, what are the things we are going to do in a particular project. Next, project objectives are established, teams are formed, team leaders, everything is formed in these phases. Next is major responsibilities are assigned, who is a team leader, who is a manager, who is going to control this project. Everything is defined in this particular defining phase. Next phase is planning phase. Plans are developed to determine the project, what the project will entail, when it will be scheduled, whom will be benefited. The quality and the budget is also defined in this particular planning phases. Next one is third phase, that is executing phase. Major portion of the project works takes place here. Both physical work is done here. Physical product is produced. This physical product includes bridge, report, software programs also. Time, cost, and specific requirements or measures are used for control. Example, is this project is on schedule, is on budget and meeting requirements. These are the things are checked in this particular phase. Final stages is closing stage. This includes three activities: delivery of the product, redeploying project resources, post project review. In delivering on the project, this might include customer training and transferring documents. Redeploying project resources, releasing a project equipment or resources. Post project review includes not only assessing performance but also capturing lesson learned. So here I'm going to show you some diagrams to easily identify or easily understand this project phases. We have four phases. X-axis represents the level of effort and y-axis represents the time. First phase, initial phase, is a defining phase. So it starts from the initial time of the project, and then after that, planning stages will be done. After that, executing stages will be done during the end of a project. It will go up to the end of the project. Last phase is closing phase. It starts after the planning, after some time of a planning phase ends. So closing time will cover throughout the end of the project. So this is a best example of diagrammatic representation to show how a project life cycle is done. I hope everyone understands this topic. Thank you for listening. Thank you.